If you notice that you've made a mistake on the row that you're working on, you can easily undo your stitches one at a time. Insert the tip of your left-hand needle into the stitch below the one on your right-hand needle. Then slide that stitch off and pull it out. If we do that again, insert the tip of your left-hand needle into the stitch below the stitch you want to undo. Slide that off and pull it out. And again, slide that off and pull it out. And you can repeat this all the way along the row until the mistake has been fully undone. And then you can resume your knitting.